Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the 7-inch Oracle Oculus Bi-LED Projector Style Headlight for the 07-18 Jeep Wrangler JK. Oracle has taken all of their same great features from the larger 9-inch Oculus headlight that's available for the newer Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT, and they've packed them into a slightly smaller 7-inch version of the Oculus that is a direct drop-in replacement for the headlights in your earlier Jeep Wrangler JK. Now, this headlight is a DOT and SAE approved Bi-LED projector headlight, and that means it is utilizing a single projector lens with an LED high and low beam. There's a mechanical shutter that will move out of the way when you activate your high beam. On the low beam setting, the Oculus will output 3200 lumens of light with a super sharp cutoff line, keeping all of that usable light down low on the road and out of the eyes of oncoming traffic. And when you activate your high beam, that shutter will move out of the way, allowing the full 4800 lumens of light to shine farther, higher, and longer down the road for a much easier and safer driving experience at night. Now, keeping those LEDs running cool is important for a long lifespan, and Oracle is using both active and passive cooling methods for their LEDs. You can see the back of the light features an aluminum heat sink. There's also a mechanical fan inside the light to help keep those LEDs running at the appropriate temperature. As I mentioned, this light is designed to be a direct replacement for your factory headlights in your Jeep Wrangler JK, and that means that it does feature a plug-and-play factory-style H13 connector. There's also a secondary weatherproof connector, and that's there for the DRL LED Halo ring. Now, that will require the installation of a separate wire harness that is included. It's a very easy install. You'll simply run each of the two legs of the harness to both the driver and passenger headlight, and then feed the harness around to the fuse box. You can crimp it to the included add-a-circuit fuse tap, and then install that fuse tap into the M9 circuit location in your fuse box. Finally, go ahead and hook up that ground ring to a ground terminal just to the side of your fuse box. Now, by doing so, it's going to operate that DRL LED Halo ring totally automatically when you turn on your Jeep, so you don't have to install any additional switches. The 7-inch version of the Oracle Oculus headlight does have a couple different versions for you. You can choose from a white-only DRL LED Halo ring. You also have a white-amber combination switchback Halo ring available that you can wire into your turn signals for some additional function. And just like its 9-inch big brother, well, the 7-inch Oculus also comes in a color shift version featuring 3 separate RGB controllable zones on the light for the ultimate level of personalization. The 7-inch version of the light can also be installed into older Jeep Wranglers and CJs if you use an H4 to H13 adapter. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase a set of 7-inch Oracle Oculus Bi-LED projector headlights for your Jeep Wrangler JK, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the lights or how to get them installed, you can always leave those for me down in the comments section below, or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And as always, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon, so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.